Get 250 grams of chocolate, dark or light, milk chocolate, whatever chocolate you want, and melt it. So chuck it in the microwave for 30 seconds, give it a stir, and repeat that as many times as you need to melt it all. Alright, that's ready. Now just put this aside and we'll get on to the next part. Now get a mixing bowl and add 250 mils or 1 cup of cream cheese. Now we're just going to whip this cream cheese so it's really nice and light. Now mix the chocolate in slowly. Now I like to use these little mini cupcake holders. These ones are silicone, so you can use them over and over again. Now you can roll these in balls, dip them in melted chocolate that way. I like to put them in here, and sometimes I like to put some chocolate, melted chocolate over the top of them. Now you can eat them like this. I like to, from here, I put them in the fridge and let them set for an hour or two. Sometimes I'll put some chocolate, so if you want to put chocolate on it, melt some chocolate and either pour it on it or just put a couple of lines or drench it in it, whatever. Try different things because they're all awesome.